In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your billing method in Slack. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to change your billing method, you need to go ahead and first access the billing page. And to do this, head over to your workspace name here and then click on the drop down. From this, go ahead and choose Tools and Settings, and under it, go under Settings and choose Workspace Settings. Now this will open a new tab and you'll have a sidebar here. From this, go ahead and choose Billing, which is under Administration. So if you click on Billing, this will take you to this billing page, and here you'll be able to see your current plan as well as various settings that you can make or changes that you can make on your billing. To change your billing method, head over to Payment Methods here, and then from this you should be now able to add a payment method that you wish. For my case, I'm yet to add any payment method, and I can also add it from here through Settings tab. So that's how you can add or change a payment method in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.